This is a recipe for making the New Look Cafe hamburger, which is the hamburger that we served at my grandfather's restaurant in Alberta. So first we start off with 2 pounds of beef. I got the lean ground, so it's not too fat. So that's 2 pounds in 2 packages here. So we're going to add a couple of eggs in there. So the eggs acts as a binder. Add a couple of eggs in there. We're going to put about a teaspoon of black pepper. Put about a teaspoon of salt in there. So next I have 3 slices of bread. So I soaked it in water. So I'm going to squeeze the bread and put the bread into the hamburger. So this will keep the hamburger moist. So we used to use white bread, but since we don't eat white bread anymore, I'm just going to use brown bread here. So next step, just mix up all the hamburger with the bread and the eggs and the salt and pepper. So we use this hamburger for hamburger steak, as well as hot hamburger sandwiches, and also for the burgers that we used to serve. So I'm just going to slice up a half a large onion here. So I'm going to keep the pieces fairly large. So I'll get some peanut oil in a pan. I'm just going to start grilling the onions first. So on medium heat, just let the onions simmer there for a while. So I just formed the hamburger. You need about 3 scoops on the ice cream scooper. So I don't know how many ounces that is, but that looks like a good size for us. So just use your hand to form the burger, just like that. If you like it thicker, just keep it thick. If you like it thinner, just press it down a little more.
As your burgers are cooking, load up your buns with your favorite condiments and ingredients. I like shredding my cheddar cheese because it melts faster. I also like to shred some cheese to grill directly on the pan, so I can get some crispy cheese to put on the burger. And don't forget to add some of those fried onions. I like to use a Kaiser roll as the bun because it's nice and sturdy. There you have it, my version of the best burger ever. Enjoy.
Thanks for checking out my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And please give me a thumbs up for this video. And if you'd like to check out more videos, just click over here or over here. And please subscribe by clicking over here.